Good morning.
Morning.
Beautiful Wasdale.
What, so the camera's actually pointed up?
The camera is pointing everywhere at once.
Oh,
So in post, whatever, it says hold it about chin height out in front of it. You can see everything apparently.
everything?
Everything.
Oh, what?
Yeah, first time using this, so we'll see how we go.
Best packs up.
So yeah, I can swing this round so you can see what's in front of us.
Yeah.
You can also swing it around to see us walking. Up there's Scarfell Pipe.
Yeah.
In the mist there. That's Scarfell. Yeah. So this is how it's done.
This is the road that me and Pippa and Ian were on about walking down because we were waiting for you and we didn't know where you
Well,
were.
you walk this way, you'd end up at the pub.
At the moment,
That there is awesome.
at the moment, it's really good hiking weather.
Yeah, perfect. Well, that I know that video I showed I sent you, but that went that gill there, that's Kirk Fell.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got great mates up the top there.
Yeah.
Mates needling, what have you. But yeah, we're going to have to see a fair bit. And if this is due to improve, we're going to have a good day, whether we need the axle or not. Yeah. Yeah, we're totally fine. It's fine by the looks of it. Right, so Kirk Fell in front then. If you did want to add that one, we could just head up there.
Not
So then we missed the waterfall because the gusts get down to it. We're in Mosedale. Yeah, you can see how Kirk Fell goes up.
Yeah.
Afterwards, it's even how high that is, to be honest.
the full spots on it.
Yeah. But this is beautiful,
Isn't it? Do you know what, this walk in, it reminds me of the Lapa Valley, the walk to left.
Yeah, a little bit. It's a little bit more simple, I suppose, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's very similar, isn't it? So then, basically somewhere in the morning, it's taken 5 hours to get here. I've already fell over. I had a shaky relationship with my new camera. But yeah, it's all been worth it so far. If we do get some sort of sunrise, it will be gorgeous. So we're just heading up through Mosedale, and in a moment we're going to turn right, which is sort of northeast, and that's going to take us up to Wasdale Pass. We'll head left from there onto Lookingstead, I think it is, and eventually onto Pillar for a start. Wasdale now, and we're heading up towards Wasdale Pass. So enjoy the ridge. Absolutely gorgeous around here. It's supposed to be snowed up to 400 metres, but whether we're going to get it that way, I mean, we should get some. Heading up nicer. Wow, quite harder than a waterfall. That looks pretty nice. To your right, Finno. Do the hand, Carl. Right, so left the main path, just heading up for one cutting across the hillside. Sort of a faint path heading up. Gorgeous. That is gorgeous down there. Yeah, this wind's going to make things tough. Yeah, unexpected, wasn't it?
Just a little bit. Enough to have us wits about.
Yep. There is. Now and again. Yep. You okay? Yep. You okay, Carl? Okay, again, we good? Okay, so well and truly in the wind now. Yeah. Hang on, Carl. Pinned down by the wind. Oh, gorgeous views though. Ah. Right. Right, we've arrived in Chamonix. Minus the snow. Ooh, hello mate.
Right, mate.
brilliant. Just trying to stay away from these edges at the moment, and gust of wind's just come in without you even realising. Pretty sheltered here though. Let's have a look down this gully. Wow. Hello Carl, let's watch them rocks mate, they're a bit verglassy. Yeah.
It's a bit deep for my liking.
Well, the rocks have got like a layer of like ice on them I suppose, haven't they? I don't know, I expected this cold to be really windy, but it's not.
Or maybe we're just being sheltered at the minute.
Well yeah, I'm thinking that might be the summit of Pillar then.
Sorry?
I think that might be the summit of Pillar.
Where the
Up there.
cold is.
Yeah, that's got to be. And then down to Wind Gap and on to the next one there.
Yeah.
And then,
That's what boys, Wind Gap's in 30s all the clouds.
yeah, I mean,
Taking the view, catch your breath and fuck off with it.
yeah.
But I'm fucking getting, you know, every time you got to do something, I'll take your gloves off. And you put this on, that on, take it off again, and it fucks me right off.
That's the beauty of winter hiking. It's better when it's like it's freezing cold at low levels as well.
Yeah.
Because you're talking about 7 degrees at the car park,
Yeah.
and minus 10 at the top.
Yeah.
And it's just impossible because the amount of different gear you have to bring.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's why when I think we got to the Black Mountains it was minus 7, weren't it,
Yeah.
when we started. So all the gear's on
Yeah.
and it don't come off all day
No.
until probably the end you start layering off. Hey, we're at the summit. Just like that. One down. Yeah, we're there. What do you reckon, 11 o'clock then? That's it. Ah. Well, that's unbelievable. The wind we've had at lower elevations and now at the summit, relatively calm.
Yeah. That'll be your shelter then.
I'd imagine so, mate, yeah.
I think we're better off where we were.
I think so. Going back this back now, it's cold.
Yeah.
Hey! Pillar! Come on, Carl. That makes you feel so much better, doesn't it?
Yeah, man.
Mazinga.
Oh,
The only problem is I need a turn now.
we do. Ken?
Which direction?
Oh, what we'll do, I think while we're sitting here, and have a look. Might as well put balaclava back on. Hey! This is awesome in here. It's going to be really windy just down here, man.
We're gonna have to fucking hold on.
Yeah, you can hear it, can't you? This is what makes it arduous. It's just, it's swirling, isn't it, as well? It's not just one way. Look at that, flying across there. After we're up there, it's going to push us all the way home, isn't it? Yeah.
Right. Got to be very careful here then.
We have to crawl, we have to crawl.
Yeah.
So that's down turning down, that's where we're heading.
Right.
Had a quick video of that.
Yeah.
We're heading down to Wind Gap and then we're going to make an attempt on a little scope fell. But it all depends what this wind's like, because we have got an escape route here. That's not a big climb either, is it? That's not going to take long.
No.
Things have changed abruptly. Wow, look at that. That is fucking special though, that is. Wow. Right, you've heard it here. We're admitting defeat. We're going to head down the scree slope back into Mosedale and then go for a beer. Because one, this isn't very enjoyable. Two, we're going to die.
Three,
Three.
we can fly.
We can fly.
And I've left some on the stove.
Let's go and get a beer. Righto. Get out of this wind. Whoa. You okay, mate?
Yeah, man, everything's good. I just got myself go. Stop.
Yeah, you're better off just to bail and control it as best you can. Hey, try and sort of stop yourself, that's when you break your arm.
Yeah. I'm going down.
Yeah, we're going to head down this scree.
I can hardly move when I went to stand up.
Yeah, it's just not worth it, is it? Well, I'm proud of what we did achieve. And some good views down into Wasdale if I can stay on my feet. Gorgeous, but incredibly windy. Ah, oh well. I ain't even going to bother.
I was going to say it's landed on that rock.
Has it? What hat? I think it did just land there, didn't it? Oh, there you go. I thought that was lost then. Turning down this scree now. Alright, mate. Whoa. The other thing that's got me is it's one of them days where all of us are doing some slipping and you know we're all struggling a little bit with foot placement and stuff, and sometimes it's like I don't know, it's just it don't feel right, does it sometimes? not that cold now, is it? Right, let's get off this because it's a dangerous area.
I've got a nice little rock to lean up against.
I'm almost glad we come down this way, that is stunning. Wow. Absolutely stunning waterfall. Oh, I love it so much. That's the thing today. They've got this whole horseshoe plan to do all of the peaks up there, all across there, and had to abandon, and at the end of the day we've got to walk through this beautiful valley, so not a complete waste of time. Absolutely stunning. Worth putting in the memory bank for the summer, that one. Didn't it? Yeah, it's down by the river. Yeah.
At some point we'll see an hole in the wall, and I suppose that's the back, isn't it?
Yeah, it just sort of meets up with that there.
Like I said, the canyon, I used to, when that first opened, I was living on the Joseph, and so it was just round the corner for me, but they never did deliver it. So, but it was round the corner, so I used to walk.
There's a fall.
Yeah, they're the falls, mate. Obviously we're not.
Wind down low ain't much better. Which, yeah, go on then. That's really deep.
I've got wet feet.
Well, do you know what? It's quite nice.
No, it's not.
It's like a little jacuzzi in your feet.
These boots are waterproof, so it doesn't go anywhere.
Funny enough, I had that same problem.
Me as well.
And the other thing is, of course, the water's nice and cold.
It's a bit chilly.
But that's okay,
Yeah,
because we're safe.
we are. We're not dead.
We're not on the mountain. We scrapped that bloody idea.
Just trudging through the fields, and the wind has just stopped.
Yes, it has.
That's because we're covered.
We're covered by.
It may have stopped, but I seem to be
Insurance.
still wearing my goggles.
I don't. I want to alarm you both,
Right.
but
There's another one ahead.
no, just.
Oh my god.
Surely that's the one we just caught.
What the f... I'm sure that's not that.
Oh mate, I don't know.
Are we on the right path?
Yeah, it's going to the car park. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Alright, here we go again.
This is...
But just for the record, this is the path.
Actually, yeah, it is pretty shallow. Halfway mate, we might as well go the whole mile.
Well, it is called Mountain Adventures.
Thank God for gators.
What, are your feet, has it not got into yours?
Some of it has, but not all of it. I can feel slight dampness, but that's probably because I've got socks on over me wet waterproof.
I need a fucking wetsuit for that.
Yeah, I've got to do with some back. We've got off the mountain all right.
This guy's skin goggles.
Now I've got trench foot. Can you get some lime from the supermarket?
Oh dear.
The stowaway's in better condition than me.
We got to go across this one.